Hello DIYers. It is pretty windy. I guess it is going to rain today. We are going to clean this outdoor unit. I hope before rain starts we finish this maintenance. As you can see, this condenser is super dirty. Do this simple maintenance, prevent from big damage and save electricity. When outdoor unit's condenser gets super dirty and the air not circulate through, you know what is going to happen. The refrigerant vapor will not change to liquid properly. In this situation, your air condition will not cool efficiently and AC compressor will start struggling. Remember guys, always before start any electrical work or maintenance, make sure turn off the circuit breaker. It is pretty easy. Remove the head cover and loosen the 10mm nut. Remove the condenser's cooling fan. Next, I'm going to disconnect the fan motor's cable. Simply, I'm going to wrap this plastic bag around the PCB board to protect the PCB from water. Let's take a look. Make sure the PCB board is completely isolated. Now we are going to wash it with medium pressure. If your pressure machine has a regulator, please adjust it. High water pressure will damage the coils. Remember, always first start washing from inner side, wash all the dust whatever, and then wash it from exterior. If you guys doesn't have water pressure machine, it can be simply cleaned with your garden hose. What a great results we have gotten from cleaning this. I can clearly see those coils through those fins, and they are just shining, and as you saw, super easy to do. Didn't take very long to do it. It is raining. I love such as this weather. Let me show you guys. I already reassembled the outdoor unit's head cover. If you'd like to know how to clean the indoor unit, watch this video at the right corner, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for watching DIY videos.